Welcome to my channel, mugilachettaai. Today we learn L starting words. L for lamp, L-A-M-P, lamp. L for leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. L for lion, L-I-O-N, lion. L for lady, L-A-D-Y, lady. L for lawyer, L-A-W-Y-E-R, lawyer. L for lotus, L-O-T-U-S, lotus. L for leopard, L-E-O-P-A-R-D, leopard. For laptop, L-A-P-T-O-P, laptop. L for lips, L-I-P-S, lips. L for land, L-A-N-D, land. L for lunch box, L-U-N-C-H-B-O-X, lunch box. L for lipstick, L-I-P-S-T-I-C-H, lipstick. Thanks for watching my videos. Next see another video. Okay, bye bye.